What's up everybody? Brian, SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and click the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll be subscribed to our channel. So as you can see behind me, we sent this 2020 GMC heavy duty up 5 inches on the zone kit. So let's get to that. So yeah, you can see she's a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller, So we sent it up on the 5-inch zone kit, as you can see. So this kit was upgraded with the Fox shocks. It is a torsion drop kit. It does not replace the upper control arm, so it's using the original upper control arm, but this is a knuckle kit. You get a brand new knuckle from there. And then these wheels are the 22x10s. They're the Moto Metal 962s with the -18 offset. And then we wrap those in the Kenda Klever. These are the 35-1250s. One note about fitment on this kit is it says that it can fit 37s underneath it. That is with a more stock wheel, but if you are running a wide wheel with a very low offset, so like a -18, -44s, everything like that, is probably best to go with the 35s, especially since there's very limited trimming you can do with this kit, because we're going to show you over here. So over here, what GM has done for all of us cold weather folk is for the engine block heater, they put just a female port right here. So instead of having to deal with that big lunky cord and getting it up out of the way when it's not in use, you can just take it right out. However, that does create a little bit of a fitment issue, as we did have to cut a little bit right here to fit these bigger 35s. It fit just fine on the back. However, up here we're losing a lot of real estate that we can take off. So this is a plea to all of you aftermarket bumper manufacturers. Please, please, please find a way to relocate that. We then did these drop steps by HDX to help get up, in, and out of this nice tall cab. All right, YouTube, that's what we've got for you. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up and give us a subscribe. And we'll talk to you guys soon. We've got plenty more of these going up. So we'll let you know exactly what we learn about them.